Good evening and welcome to Data Center. Today we'll be starting a Python class and we'll be looking at the overview of Python. Okay, so basically, I expect everyone to have downloaded Anaconda. You can get Anaconda from www.anaconda.com, okay, or Jupyter Notebook from jupyter.org. Other Python environment that you can use, we have text editor plus command line. We have the IDEs such as the PyCharm, the VS Code. These are different platforms that we can use for our class. But for the purpose of this training, we will be using Anaconda. Okay, so you can download it from www.anaconda.com. So Anaconda is an open source software or platform that you can use to write your code. Okay, it's an industry standard development tool, and as well for testing and training on a single machine, enabling individual data scientists to do the following. Okay, analyze data with scalability and performance using the following library: DAX, numpy, pandas, and number. You can as well visualize the results using this platform using the following library: matplotlib, bokeh, data shader, views. You can also use this to develop and train machine learning and deep learning models with scikit, learn, TensorFlow, and Tianon. Okay, these are the things you can do with this environment. Okay, so now let's move to our notes, our Jupyter notebook. Basically, this is the environment we'll be using in our Anaconda. Okay, once you install it, it comes with this. All right. So the Jupyter Notebook is also an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Okay, it enables you to perform data cleaning as a data scientist, transform data, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, data visualization, machine learning, and much more. All right. Okay, so when you use your Jupyter Notebook for coding, it uses the file extension to save your code automatically. That is .ipynb. Okay, you can as well save .py, that's py. Okay, but for the purpose of the class, we'll be saving file .ipynb. All right. So basically, what we'll be looking today, we'll be looking at you opening your Jupyter Notebook. I believe by now you all have installed Anaconda. Okay, so I'll show you on how to open the notebook. Not only that, how to change your file directory. Usually, when you installed it, the file directory is on your C drive. Okay, so you have to, in case you're looking for a document, you will have to go down to your C drive and locate the file directory, that is the folder, and copy what you want. However, you can change where you want your file to save into. Okay, so for instance, you can create a folder on your desktop, you name it, and then you change your directories on your Jupyter notebook that save this snippet, this work I'm doing, to this folder. Okay, so we'll be looking at how to change the file directory. We'll also look at the environment of Jupyter Notebook. Okay, overview, look at the different things and tools and tabs that we have, menus that we have on the environment. All right, so let's quickly get started. Okay, you can search or you open this. All right, then just look for anaconda. All right, so immediately you open, you can see we have this. You see, we have anaconda navigator, we have anaconda powershell, we have spider anaconda tree, but this is not emphasis yet. Okay, that is not what we are using. Okay, that is not what we are using. Okay, so let's look for what we're using. Anaconda. Okay, so I search for anaconda. So I'll be using this. Look at this for now. So you double click. So if you have installed, just search. Okay, and wait for it to open. Okay, it has opened. Look at this. All right, so as you can see, this is uh, the environment, the Jupyter notebook we are going to use. Immediately you click on that, you wait for it to open this on your browser. Okay, the workbench, this will open this for you. Okay, now this is from our C drive. It is all these are from our C drive, but I want to change the directory, so let's quickly do that. I would love to show you that. Okay, to show you that. Let me close it. To close this. Okay, let's go. Let's search again. Okay, this time around I want to use the prompts. Okay, I want to use the anaconda prompts. This. Let's wait for it. Okay, so let's open. I want to change it to desktop. Press this CD means change directory. Okay, press enter. It has changed. Now there's a folder I created on my desktop called Python. CD Python. Okay, so now change the directory. I want to open a Jupyter notebook. Okay, let's wait for it. I've instructed the command prompt to open my Jupyter notebook. Okay, now if you look at it, after typing this code, yeah, Jupyter notebook. Okay, so it opens my Jupyter notebook on our browser, so you can see. Let me minimize this. All right, so we are here. So if you look at it, you see you're not seeing different folders because we are opening it directly from the Python folder created on our desktop. Okay, so you're right. If you want to do that, create a folder on your desktop. Okay, then you any of the files you are using, you can put them inside that folder. Then you open the Anaconda PowerShell and then you follow the instruction. Thereafter, you use Jupyter Notebook to open your Jupyter working environment. Okay, now we are in our environment. This is where we will be working. Now, if you look at this environment, you see we have files, no files here. We have running, nothing is running here from our terminals. Okay, now to open a new environment to type in code, you come to new, look at it, and then we're using this Python 3. You click on it. All right, it has opened. So you can see we have Jupyter on title. It's not named, that is why it's showing on title. Okay, so you double click, pause, pause to work. Okay, pause to work. You can see now we've renamed it. If you look at this environment, we have file here. That is, you want to have a new notebook. Okay, you want to create a new notebook for your work. If you are opening an existing dashboard, you want to make a copy, you want to save, rename, save and checkpoints, revert, okay, then preview, print preview. If you want to download your code, okay, this you can download as PDF, as python is .py, look at it, okay, then pypeter, slides, okay, lattes, and the likes, okay, can download in different this. Then we have the edit. Under the edit, that is where you can cut, you copy, just delete, you can merge, you can move up, okay. You have the view, you have the insert, you have the cell, you have the kernel, okay. The kernel, that is if you want to restart it in operating system. The kernel is part of what we have in your is what determines the efficiency, the running of your OS, okay. Then we have this, and then we have app. All right, so we have other tools here. Save, you want to insert, you want to cut, you want to copy, you want to paste, you want to move up, move down. You'll be using this to run. You want to stop, you want to stop the kernel, okay. Then you want to restart, okay, restart, the kernel dialog. Want to restart the kernel, the way is the entire notebook, okay. Then we have our code here, okay. You see it, so we're typing code, so it's on code. All right, so let's see something here. Prints, because this is a method. Once you use this is a method, it's the first thing we do. Hello world, okay. So this, then let's perform certain operations. Let's assume we are using this. This is a variable, letter A is a variable, and then we are assigning 5 to it. Letter B is a variable, and we are saying, oh, we are assigning 3 to it. And letter C, let's assume C is A plus B. All right, so let's print, okay. Then I want to show format at which I want this, okay, or in quotes, I want it to be in this format. All right, so I'm using this plus percentage again, D, okay, and then is equals to C. All right, that is the format at which I want it. This should come first, A plus B equals to C. All right, format. Then we have another one, and then we list those variables that we have. We have A, B, C. All right, so let's run it and see. You click on your run, okay. See, there's something wrong with this, so let's quickly check where we missed it. Okay, so the challenge is, it said the name print is not defined, whereas this is a method. Let's move this close. Let's close this gap. Okay, there's no space. Let's close it. Okay, see the color has changed, and let's run again. Okay, it is the same. Okay, let's check it. Let's work on this. Let's make it small later. Okay, it has changed color now. Let's run again. All right, bravo. So we have our result. So it was because it wasn't encapsulator. Okay, so now you see we have print in small letter. All right, so you can see You have this, so it's correct. So you just have to read the error message and see how to correct the code, and that is all. So you see hello world 5 plus 3. If you give a space here, let's see, give a space here. Let's run again. Okay, see there's a space now. Okay, that is 5 plus 3 is equals to this. You see it? Then we have this first. All right. So basically, we'll do this today as an introductory class to Python data science class. Now, next class we'll move forward, perform some other arithmetic operations, and then we'll see how to import files, and then that is a data set, okay, into our workbench. All right, please, we want you to look at the content and then listen accordingly. If you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Same time, same venue.